Hello everybody, time for Allied Spooks and Nightmares, and today we are going to be unboxing Miserable Marie from Spirit Halloween. Before we get into unboxing, I'm going to go ahead and take a look at the box. Here's a picture of her. It says Miserable Marie. Constant twitching motion, makes wailing, grunting noises, and stands about 5 feet tall. Here's a side picture. I really love the side picture. And then constant motion. It says her story on the back. You can read that on the website and all the stuff she's compatible with. Same thing on the other side as this, I do believe, except it has the grunting wailing sounds. Alright, let's go ahead and start unboxing. There's foam. Here's like the shoulder piece. There's a spring in there. There's her hands. Her hands look really, really good. Like, the detail on this prop is amazing. Like, just look at that hand. Oh, let's go ahead. Caught on the wire. Alright. Oh, that's the back. Let's see. I might have to shift something around. Oh, never mind. Here's the head. The dress. The poles. Then I'll get the mech out. And the instructions. Alright, so your parts list is you have the base, 2 arms, the shoulder frame, the mechanism, head and the neck piece, the dress, and 4 support poles. Alright, so I'm here with update number 1. I just locked all the poles in. That's pretty much it. Locked the poles into the base. It's a pretty short update, so let's get to update number 2. Alright, update 2. I've gone ahead and I put the shoulder piece on and the mech. I love, her mech seems like it's quality. There's speaker, wires, and things like that. I think she's looking pretty good, but yeah. Let's get on to update number 3. We just put the clothes on and put the arms in up here. But yeah, these updates are kind of just like short little like brief explaining of what I've done. So, let's get to the final update where we put on the head. Alright, so here she is fully set up. She's an amazing prop. I'll get more into the detail and stuff on like what I fully think about her on the review. But she has amazing detail. She's such just a good prop. I think for what you get, her price is one of the best prices from Spirit. And yeah, let me get to the demo. I hope you all enjoyed this, my first unboxing.